It's a resource that's available. People should feel really comfortable going up to it and playing and like using the materials. You don't have to know what you're doing. I'm Julia Gartrell. I'm the artist behind the repair station. I'm a sculptor that also has a pretty active public practice. I do a lot of work that's textile-based, found object-based. People seem to feel really excited and empowered when they fix something for the first time. Students can bring whatever they have to repair, or they can come with an idea, or they can come to learn a specific skill. The idea is to like start the conversation, start the making, and hopefully that through word of mouth and through it just being really present gets people to keep messing with it and using it. The project is also part of the HRC's repair academic theme. We really wanted to have something that got students specifically thinking about repair in a physical way. On the sculpture, there are QR codes that link to a series of videos, and those are instructional videos that I filmed that use the materials that are on the sculpture. They also feature voices of repair professionals that I interviewed. They're reflecting on the changes in material culture. They're reflecting on the future of repair, if there is a future of repair in their particular genre. The thing that I'd love to carry forward is just excitement and sort of breaking the seal of like, oh, I can do this. My dream is that like the yellow repairs will kind of start to filter out on campus.